So we are in Hertfordshire today looking at this stunning new build 4-bedroom property around 3,500 square feet. It came to Aura Architecture and Interiors with full planning approval, and we took this through the technical design stage through to tender and onto site, as you can see behind us. There are a number of incredible features in this property. I can't wait to show you the kitchen. There's an amazing snug living room with an incredible chimney place. The principal bedroom and ensuite is massive. Let's go take a look. So you enter this wonderful kitchen through these massive barn doors that slide very traditionally on a rail like so. We've got a quartz worktop. This is from a local kitchen manufacturer, shaker style kitchen. Big American style fridge freezer, a couple of ice creams if you want one. We've got a Lecanche range cooker, which is state of the art and an incredible piece of kit. The standard cooker, instant hot water tap, and this amazing window seat. So when I first spoke to the clients here, they were heavily pregnant, expecting their first child, and they were very, very interested in lighting design, to the point where we were getting on board a lighting consultant. Now, when they got the costs back from those lighting consultants, she actually decided on her maternity leave to actually do a lighting course herself, and she's done an absolutely incredible job in this house. We'll show you some of the interesting lighting features, lots of uplighters, lots of downlighters, lots of wall lights. They all look fantastic. You'll see a lot of the post-its around the property. That is for snagging purposes, and for anyone that doesn't know what snagging is, effectively they've gone round and put a post-it on areas whereby the paint needs touching up or something needs attention, there's a scratch or a bump, and the contractor needs to come back and fill those in. So we've got this amazing open plan hallway entrance area, and if you look up, it's double height space with a nice Velux window at the top, letting light all the way down into this ground floor space. Steps down into this part of the hallway, the levels in the property, and we're on a slight hill, so actually when you step into this lower area, you can see the effect that has in this room with incredibly high ceilings. We're into the snug room. There's a fireplace going into this bespoke chimney, and you've got great views out onto the patio and into the garden area. And this will be the entertaining space, evening chill out room for our clients. So here we have office to my left hand side, and this is the kids' playroom. A nice touch that the clients put into this is this glass door, so they keep an eye on their kids playing in this playroom. Access into the laundry room, and then there is a covered carport over here for 2 cars with a plant room above. This is one of my favourite pieces in this house, and also the clients, this double height hallway area with roof light to the top, and we're looking forward to seeing the lighting going in, which will dangle down into this space. Let's go and have a look at the principal bedroom. So I'm currently stood in what will be a walk-in wardrobe for the principal bedroom. This is the principal bedroom area. Stood where I am is the bed head with that wonderful view out over the countryside. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Now let's take a look at one of the biggest bathrooms I've ever seen. We've got a large freestanding tub, shower, toilet, and his and hers sinks, which will be bespoke, currently being made off-site, and we'll see those go in shortly. So we had one of these doors down in the kitchen, and the barn-style door has also been included in the principal bathroom. So the principal bedroom is tucked away over in that wing of the house, and then the other 3 bedrooms are around this circulation space here, including the family bathroom next to you. Let's take a look at the secondary bedroom. Now this bedroom may be north facing, but it's still got amazing views over to the clock house, which is the sister building in the same courtyard of this development. This bedroom has a great feature, which is the exposed chimney breast in brickwork here, and I mentioned the client was really keen to install feature lighting where she could. This is one of those places. I would imagine at night time, having just this uplighter on the brickwork wall looks amazing. So this new build property has all of the bells and whistles that you'd expect from a luxury 3,500 square foot property. We've got lighting control by Lutron. We have got a full MVHR system, which is mechanical ventilation and heat recovery system. There are solar panels going on the carport to the side, and Cat5 cabling in every room. So all the tech that I've just mentioned upstairs is controlled by this iPad on the wall, which has all of the lighting controls, all of the heating controls and the security. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more site tours, head over here.